In this video, I'm going to show you how to force dark mode on all apps in Android. No root required. So, dark mode has become a popular feature in Android apps. While many apps now have native support for it, not all apps offer this option. Fortunately, there are ways to force dark mode across all apps, even those that don't natively support it. So here are a few methods. The first method is using Android's built-in dark mode. So if you're using Android 10 and above, you want to go to your settings, and then you want to go to display, and you want to toggle dark theme on. This will turn on dark mode for the system UI and many apps that support it. However, some apps may not automatically switch to dark mode. So another way to do this, if you want to force a dark mode on apps that don't natively support it, Android 10 and above offer a developer option to force dark mode on unsupported apps, and here's how you can do it. So again, within your settings, you want to scroll down to About Phone, and you want to go to Build Number. You want to tap on this 7 times to enable developer options. As you can see, I'm already a developer. Then you want to go back to your settings and then go to System Settings, and you should now see an option for developer options. Tap on this and you want to scroll down. On my phone, it's towards the bottom of the list. So you want to keep scrolling until you get to the section where it mentions dark mode, and it should be coming up very soon. So here you can see overrides the force dark feature to always be on. So you toggle that on, and once enabled, this setting forces most apps that don't support dark mode to use a dark theme, although it might not look perfect for every app. If your phone doesn't have the force dark mode option, or you want more control, you can use third-party apps to force dark mode across apps. Just do a search on the Google Play Store for that, or if anybody has any recommendations, drop them down in the comment section below.